Solve the equation 2x cubed plus x squared equals 15x. We have a nonlinear equation here. We have actually a cubic equation, and at this point the only method we have for solving this type of an equation is by factoring. So I need my equation to equal 0. So let's subtract 15x from both sides of the equation, giving us 2x cubed plus x squared minus 15x equals 0. And now we'll go ahead and factor completely the left-hand side of our equation, and every term has a common factor of x in them. So the greatest common factor here is x. So let's factor out the x, and we're left with 2x squared plus x minus 15 equals 0. And it turns out that our quadratic factor, the 2x squared plus x minus 15, can be factored further. So we'll bring along the x, and our quadratic factor can be factored further into the quantities 2x minus 5 times x plus 3. So these two guys here, when we multiply them together, we get this one, and then we have our original factor of x that we brought out at the beginning. So now I have these three quantities that I'm multiplying together, and it's giving me 0. So either the first factor equals 0, or x equals 0, or 2x minus 5 equals 0, or our last factor of x plus 3 equals 0. And we'll solve each of these equations. X equals 0, already solved. Or with our middle equation, we'll add 5 and divide by 2, giving us x could be positive 5 halves. Or our last equation, subtract 3 from both sides, we get x equals negative 3. So it turns out this equation does have 3 solutions. You could check your answers by plugging these values back into the original problem, and they all 3 will work. So final answer to this problem, x is 0, or 5 halves, or negative 3.